Government Engineering College Ajmer, BTech 8th semester Mechanical Engineering student. Today I am going to deliver a seminar presentation on hydrogen fueled rotary engine. In this PPT we will discuss about the following topics: index, introduction, working principle of hydrogen engine, extract of hydrogen, HHO properties, electrolysis, electrolysis equations, HHO generators, HHO preparation generators, engine efficiency, hydrogen on demand, comparison for normal engine and hydrogen engine efficiency, comparison on for normal bike and hydrogen bike, conclusion and bibliography. Now we introduce introduction. The hydrogen vehicle converts the chemical energy of hydrogen to mechanical energy either by burning hydrogen in an internal combustion engine or by reacting hydrogen with oxygen in a fuel cell to run electric motors. Alternative fuels not only burn cleaner, producing lower emissions, but some are even renewable, unlike fossil fuels, which means we could develop a continuous supply of them. The alternative fuels in use today include ethanol, biodiesels, methanol, natural gas, propane, electricity, and hydrogens. Next topic is working principles of hydrogen engine. Hydrogen engines are considered by many peoples to be an excellent alternative to fossil fuel engines. A hydrogen fuel cells engines work by mixing hydrogen and oxygen, generating electricity during the electrolysis. The next topic is extract of hydrogens. Hydrogen, natural gas, coal, petroleum gas, electricity, nuclear and biomass. The next topic is HSO properties. HSO gas proves to be odorless, colorless and lighter than air. HSO has a number of distinct features that distinguish it from water vapor, brown gas and other variants. Third one is in the production of HSO gas there is no evaporation process at all, the electric energy used being insufficient for evaporation. HSO gas do not follow the fundamental PVT law of gases. Fifth one is HSO gas instantaneously melt tungsten, bricks and other highly reactive substance. The next topic is sustainable path to hydrogen. Renewable energy. Renewable energy are four types: heat, electricity, biomass and photolysis. Heat, thermolysis to convert hydrogen. Mechanical energy convert electricity, electricity converts electrolysis and electrolysis convert hydrogen. And electricity convert electrolysis or electrolysis convert hydrogen. Biomass conversion hydrogen and photolysis convert hydrogen. The next topic is electrolysis. Electrolysis of water is the decomposition of water H2O into the oxygen and hydrogen gas H2 due to an electric current being passed through the water. The generated amount of hydrogen is twice the amount of oxygen and both are proportional to the total electrical charge that was sent through the water. The next topic is electrolysis equations. Thus, electrons required for this reduction will come from the power sources. The equation is 4H2O plus 4 electrons gives 2H2O plus 4OH minus. Finally, we can supply our overall equation to 2H2O liquid gives 2H2 gas plus O2 gas. The next topic is HHO generators. The HHO generator is really an electrolysis device based on an invention from the late 19th century. Hydrogen fuel cells, also known as HHO fuel cells, are designed to increase the efficiency of internal combustion engine. The next topic is HHO preparation generators. For electrodes, tubes are about 3 mm thick and 3 by 4 1 by 2 inches long stainless steel 304 grades. An 8 mm gas vent hole is drilled from gas outlet to the cap. The electrolyte level is always about 25 mm below the gas vent hole. They are arranged in an alternate manner, minus plus minus. The two negatively charged electrons are connected each other through gas welding. Each electrolyzers contain 4 steps of electrodes. The next topic is engine efficiency. Engine efficiency based on the engine specification. The following power calculations are done. The nomenclature of following terms: N is equal to speed of engine in RPM. T, torque transmitted Newton meter. PM, mean effective pressure Newton per meter square. L is equal to stroke length M. A is equal to area of cylinder M2. K is equal to number of cylinders. And efficiency. Brake power is equal to 2 pi Nt upon 60,000 watt. Second is indicated power. Indicated power is equal to Planck divided by 60 watt, where P is equal to pressure, L is equal to stroke length, A is equal to area, N is equal to number of revolutions, K is equal to number of cylinders. Third one is frictional powers is equal to indicated power minus brake power. Fourth one is mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency is equal to brake power divided by indicated power. Thermal efficiency is equal to brake thermal efficiency divided by mechanical efficiency into 100. The where brake thermal efficiency is equal to work delivered by the engine divided by chemical energy in the fuel. Sixth one is relative efficiency. Relative efficiency is equal to brake thermal efficiency divided by air standard efficiency. Seventh one is equal to air standard efficiency. Air standard efficiency is equal to 1 minus 1 upon R gamma minus 1. Hydrogen on demand is the next topic. With these systems, the HSO generators only make the hydrolysis gas when the vehicle will use on demand. There is no high pressure hydrogen tank to around waiting for an explosion. The regulation of power supply to the electrolyzer is controlled by the ignition switch. The next topic is comparison for normal engine and the hydrogen engine efficiency. The normal engine is engine efficiency refers to an engine ability to transform the available energy from its fuel into useful power work. The modern gasoline combustion engine operates at a engine of roughly 20 to 30% engine efficiency. The remaining 70 to 80% of the gasoline heat energy is expelled from the engine as either exhaust gases. Mechanical sound energy or friction loss at idle, the energy efficiency is zero since the engine is not moving the vehicle and it's only operating accessories such as the water pump and generators. The next one is hydrogen engines. Hydrogen engines provide a high torque density, high power density, sufficient gas engines. Hydrogen is used because it burns 7 to 9 times faster than high carbon fuels. Due to the relative instantity of the explosive event during ignitions, there is less of the wasted translation energy that is found in traditional internal combustion engines. The combustion chamber is effectively cooled by massive amount of air pillars to hydrogen ignitions. Hydrogen ignition efficiency is approximately 65% positively. The next topic is comparison for normal bike and a hydrogen bike. Normal bike, the speed may reach 30 to 160 km per hour depending on the engine cc. The second one is it carrying flammable fuels such as petrol, diesels, and the third one is traveling long distance on these is very convenient. The next is hydrogen bike. First one is same as normal bike. It reaches 30 to 160 km per hour depending on the engine cc. Second one is compared to normal bike, it's carrying flammable fuels is less amount. Third one is traveling long distance on these is very consequently. The next topic is conclusion. In our project, we are driving a normal petrol bike using HSO gas as a fuel. By simply facing the HSO generators, bike is running with HSO gas as a fuel. It is successfully working. It's reduced the emissions. So many research and the undergoes are green engines in the automobile industries. By addition some additional equipments to this project, it will work efficiently. By using this technology in automobile, will discussly reduce the emissions and helpful in rapid development of the mankind on the whole. This technology has great promises and will help us create a clean and green world for our future generations. These projects work in such useful in all the growth of automobile industries. The next topic is bibliography. www.google.com, www.wikipedia.com, IC engine by V Ganeshan, automobile engineering by Kirpal Singh, www.greenfuel20.com, www.h2hydrogen.com, www.hhocarfuelcell.com, www.hhoplus.com. Thank you.